Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update software on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. To do that, we're gonna have to swipe up to open the apps menu, and here tap on the gear icon to open settings. Now, let's first go to connections and make sure that our Wi-Fi is enabled. Make sure that you see your Wi-Fi network name right here. Then scroll down to software update. Select this option, click check for updates, and wait until your device searches, until your device finds any update. And as you can see, my device is fully updated, but if your device detects an update, it will begin downloading it, then installing it, and then you're gonna have to restart your watch to apply changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.